Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 3 of class 7th DAV Science Chemical Substances and Processes back exercise. A. Fill in the blanks. First, materials made up of same kind of particles are called pure substances. Second, the type and number of particles of each kind present in a substance is given by its chemical formula. Third, the chemical formula of water is H2O. Iron gets rusted on coming in contact with oxygen and moisture. Fifth, the process that leads to a chemical change is called a chemical reaction. Sixth, in a neutralization reaction, salt and water are formed. B. Write true or false of the following statements. First, all matter is made up of atoms. True. Second, compounds are substances consisting of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed ratio. 2. 3. The symbol of element copper is Cu. True. Fourth, formula of sodium chloride is written as ClNa. False. Fifth, the chemical formula of aluminium sulfate is Al2SO4. False. New substance formed in a chemical reaction is called product. True. Seventh, magnesium hydroxide is an acid. False. Take the correct option. Answer. First, silver. Second, one atom of hydrogen, one atom of nitrogen, and three atoms of oxygen. Third, Mg3PO4 whole twice. Fourth, displacement reaction. Fifth, CaO. D. Answer the following questions in brief. First, what are elements? Answer. The substances which are made up of same kind of atoms are called elements. Second, give the chemical symbol of iron and chlorine. Answer. Iron Fe and chlorine Cl. Third, write the chemical formula of the following compounds. A. Aluminium oxide. B. Zinc acetate. Answer. A. Al2O3. B. CH3COO whole twice Zn. Fourth, balance the following equation. CaOH whole twice plus HCl gives CaCl2 plus H2O. Answer. CaOH whole twice plus 2HCl gives CaCl2 plus 2H2O. Fifth, what does a chemical equation represent? Answer. Chemical equation represents a chemical reaction and formula of substances involved in a reaction. Sixth, what are reactants and products in a chemical equation? Answer. In a chemical equation, the substances present in the left side of an arrow sign are called reactants and the substance present in the right side of the arrow sign are called products. Seventh, give one example of a combination reaction. Answer. Combination of carbon and oxygen gas to form carbon dioxide is an example of a combination reaction. C plus O2 gives CO2. E. Answer the following questions. First, write the steps involved in writing the chemical formula of calcium phosphate. Answer. To write the formula of calcium phosphate, we first write the symbols for calcium and phosphate ions along with their charges. Ca2 plus calcium, PO4 3 minus phosphate. There are no common factors in the number corresponding to their charges. We know now crisscross their charges and write the crisscrossed numbers as subscripts against the two charges. Ca2 plus crossing the valences PO4 3 minus gives Ca3 PO4 twice. How is chemical change different from a physical change? Answer. A change in which no new substance is formed is called physical change. For example, melting of ice, breaking of glass, etc. Whereas a change in which new substance is formed is called the chemical changes. For example, burning of paper, rusting of iron, etc. Third, neutralization reaction is a chemical change. Justify this statement with the help of an example. Answer. In neutralization reaction, acid reacts with a base to form salt and water. That is, new substances are formed. So it is a chemical change. For example, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide reacts to form sodium chloride, salt and water. NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Fourth, define a decomposition reaction and give an example for the same. Answer. A reaction in which more than one product is obtained from a single reactant is called a decomposition reaction. For example, the breakdown of water into hydrogen and oxygen. 2H2O plus gives 2H2 plus O2. Fifth, classify the following reactions into different types giving reason. Answer. A. It is a combination reaction because two substances combine to form single product. B. It is a neutralization reaction because a base, potassium hydroxide, reacts with an acid, hydrochloric acid, to form salt, potassium chloride and water. C. It is a displacement reaction because copper displaces silver from silver nitrate solution to form copper nitrate solution. D. It is a decomposition reaction because barium carbonate decomposes to form barium oxide and carbon dioxide.
Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.